Hi. Now we will discuss about the cancer biomedical engineering strategies of the cancer. But to know first the causes of the cancer and what kills the most from the cancer is a metastasis. So we will discuss a little more about cancer metastasis. So first, two genes of classes that's responsible of triggering the cancer. So, like the mutations of the DNA, especially when it's important for cell proliferation or cell cycle, that's very important for causing cancer. So especially there are two types. First, if there are genes which is promote the cell growth. So which usually happens, mutations in the proto-oncogene, and then mutation causes this proto-oncogene into an oncogene. So what is proto-oncogene? That's a normal gene. In fact, it's normal, but that could become an oncogene due to mutations or increased expression level. So that we call as a oncogene. And oncogene, and if I have an analogy, it's like in the car, it's like an accelerator. So let's say we have these two layers and of the gene and normal gene, then the car, like as it's, let's say cell proliferation, it goes in normal. But even one mutation of this proto-oncogene that turn this one into an oncogene means it like kind of a pushing the accelerator. And these usually are as a dominant factor that proto-oncogene become an oncogene, then even this one mutation can lead to accelerated cell division. On the other hand, there are genes that suppresses cell division. So it's always keep checking, preventing tumor formation. And that gene we call a tumor suppressor gene. So if we consider this as a car, it's like a brake system. So in the normal gene, they regulate the cell growth with these two layers. So because there's a tumor suppressor gene. Let's assume there's a first mutation happens to one allele of this tumor suppressor gene. You see this? There's another brake system still working on. So with one hit or first mutation, the car is still okay that because it has still brake. But what if this remaining part of the gene, tumor suppressor gene, also undergo another second mutation that we call two hit? Then there's no brake, so it'll keep going and cell proliferation forming tumor or leading to cancer. Or for some reason, a loss of this layer makes remains no brake system, which can cause a tumor formation. So these are two gene classes that triggers cancer formation.